We're going to create a simple 2-question survey for a newly opened bakery store in the community, aiming to gauge the reception of their services. Let's start by clicking on this button right here, followed by this one. Next, we'll provide the title of our survey in this field. We then select a date for the survey's activation, which could be today or any future date. Choosing a future date means the survey will become active then, allowing participants to respond at that time. We'll keep the other buttons on this screen at their default settings. Now, take a look at this slider. It determines the number of questions in your survey. Sliding to 3 means our survey will include 3 questions. 6 brings it to 6 questions, and so on. But for this tutorial, we're focusing on a 2-question survey. Here in this field, you can input your first question. For the response options, clicking here reveals a new option. You have the choice between emoji or text for your answers. For crafting questions, I recommend leveraging platforms like ChatGPT to generate a simple 2-question survey efficiently. After saving, a completion notice appears for question 1, guiding you to the second question. This time, let's incorporate emojis for a fun twist. Remember, when selecting emojis as options, a descriptive text is required. Finally, an essential feature to incorporate is the welcome media. This is the image respondents will see first when they start interacting in WhatsApp. It's crucial for making an immediate brand connection, significantly boosting response rates. We advise uploading an image that prominently displays your logo and is visually appealing. Though we plan to release a tutorial on creating such designs in the future, for now, a straightforward picture will suffice. The next feature, although not mandatory, involves a thank you image or media sent at the survey's conclusion. This is another opportunity to reinforce brand recognition. Here, you're not limited to images. PDFs and videos are also viable options for a memorable closing message. Moving to consent messages located at the survey's end. This is where you can request respondents' permission for future marketing communications. By securing their opt-in here, you'll be able to engage them with broadcast messages later, using this Broadcast button. Although this video focuses primarily on survey creation, remember, you have the flexibility to customize the opt-in message or stick with the default provided by the system. Additionally, there's an option to request permission to use respondents' feedback as testimonials, enhancing your social media or other marketing channels. Without this selection, such consent won't be sought. To finalize, simply hit Submit and your survey will be active. You'll see the survey title, its expiration date, and now it's all about sharing. Distribute the survey link via SMS, email, or any preferred method. Alternatively, downloading and sharing a QR code offers respondents a seamless way to access the survey through a WhatsApp chatbot. Thank you for following along. This guide aims to equip you with the basics of creating a survey to kickstart your engagement efforts effectively.